Good morning, team. I am at Standing Bear Farm kitchen right now. I'm getting myself some breakfast. Let me show you what I mean. This right here is what I mean by honor system. I grab a bagel, which I'm toasting right over here, and some goat cheese and some yogurt, and the coffee is free. But this is what the kitchen looks like. Yep. So yeah, I'm gonna eat, get my stuff ready, and do some snacks packing today. Well, team, I am walking back to the trail from Standing Bear Farm. It was a great stay. I got some sleep, ate some breakfast, and today I'm gonna be slack packing about 13 miles. What that means is that I'm leaving my backpack behind, and in 13 miles, the people from the hostel are gonna give me my bag. This is beneficial because I can go a little bit faster. And I just resupply, so my pack is really heavy, and then I'll be able to eat some of the stuff out tonight. Today is supposed to be snowy and rainy, a combination of both. I don't know if you can see or not, but there's a little bit of snow all on top of the trees, and it's been raining, snowing on and off since last night. So let's see how today goes. I'm gonna take it easy since it's wet and see where the day takes me. All right, let's do this. I get to hike in this today. Isn't it pretty? This is like the perfect amount of snow and hiking. I hope it doesn't get any worse. You can see a couple flurries coming down. Once again, as long as it doesn't get any worse, I can handle this. Beautiful. Did I tell you that the first 4 miles of today are straight up? Just look. I'm not even halfway done. Oh my God. But it's a beautiful day. Absolutely. Check this out, team. I am hiking in the snow. There's a couple of us here. Yeah, but this is absolutely amazing. I've never hiked in the snow before, so this is pretty cool. All right, time to put this away. This is what the trail looks like now. We are being guided by those wood posts with the blazes on it. I must have seen about a dozen of those. Wondering what it looks like when it's sunny. Still absolutely beautiful though. Never in a million years would I thought that I'll be hiking in snow like this. The girl from Puerto Rico Who would have thought? Well, team, I am back at Standing Bear Farm. Today I slack packed 13.5 miles. However, the weather turned really bad from winter wonderland to like straight up like almost blizzard. So I made a conscious decision to come back to the hostel to make sure I was safe. So I did that. The plan tomorrow is to go back to Max Patch and continue the hike from there. Weather is supposed to clear and temperatures are supposed to go up to 60 degrees. So it's gonna be a big old pile of mud tomorrow. Either way, I did good today. I stand by my decision of hiking in the snow and then coming back. Besides that is all I have to report, besides having a wonderful day and kind of like a crappy ending to it. But that's okay though. I'm still very happy to be here. All right, you all have a good evening, and I will see you in the morning.